Hey guys, see if I can set this camera up and film me honing a little bit. This is the MG project. So I just use a little PV blaster to keep it wet. Nothing fancy. So you notice I went a little deep a couple times and slipped on the chuck, but I think it's okay. So I'm going to clean this up. And even though you can't feel any ridge, there's a slight discoloration of where the piston stopped. And normally you would get a ridge there, so there's no ridge. There's a ridge reamer you can use if you have a ridge, but this thing is pretty good. So I honed these all about the same, just a little discoloration. I don't know if I really had to get that out, except you want to see crosshatch in it. I see crosshatch right up there, so maybe 1/8 inch. It's not. So a little bit more, maybe about that much. Again on each of them. Okay.